Okay, for question number 5, we are asked to find the displacement of a particle after 2 seconds. So this is the graph we're given of the particle. It starts at 0, this is time, and this is Vx. So it is steadily moving up. This is at 4 seconds. It is at 8 meters at 4 seconds. And what we have to find is the displacement in meters after 2 seconds of the particle. So let's say that 2 seconds is right here. So in order to find the displacement, the easiest way to do this is to just find the area of this triangle. So we can use the formula base times height over 2. So we see that the base of this is 2. So we have 2 times the height, which would be 4 meters, over 2. And we see that our answer would be 4 meters. So that is the displacement of the particle after 2 seconds.